It's a mess in here. Let me show you where I'm at right now. That's what they're going to look like. I put mesh inside there. What I did is I drilled 3 holes. I soldered the 3 holes just in case if this doesn't hold. This is real, I'll tell you, this is really thick pipe. See, I still got to hit the sides. I got to put the front on that one. And then we're going to grind these down a little bit. We're going to dress around the welds up. And then the backs are going to be spray painted silver. The body's going to be spray painted black. And this is stainless steel mesh on the inside. That way there, you know, just in case of something, you never know. Sometimes mice crawl up inside motorcycle exhausts. And this is the other one here. So I'm working on this weld right here. And we gotta finish this side here a little bit. They got a ways to go. I gotta grind this down once this is all welded up. Maybe what I'll do is I'll go over it with some JB weld to smooth it out. And what I'm using is, these are called alumaloy. You can actually weld these with a propane torch. They work, but not as good as I want. They can't hold the load. What this is good for doing, I bought 1 pound of these, which is 20 sticks for $30. I also bought the brazing flux, which is like a powder. You don't really even need that. It actually works better without any flux. But basically, the aluminum does stick to aluminum, but it's not real strong. It doesn't hold. Like if I was to try to twist these really hard, they'd probably come right off. I mean, they're on there. You know, they'll hold on the motorcycle, but they're not really good for holding a load. But that's where we are right now, guys. They're going to look, I'll tell you what, though, once I'm done with them, once I grind this down, I smooth these out with some JB weld. We're going to dress up around here. We're going to grind this down a little bit, dress it up, clean it up. It's going to look nice. These are going to really be different. But I'll tell you, man, there's a lot of work goes into doing this. Is it worth it? Yes and no. These will be the only ones in a world like this, so I guess it's worth it. So I probably have maybe another week's work on those. And here, let me put the other one down there for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Still a little on the hot side. What I did was I welded a piece of metal. You can see the bar in there. I welded a bar across and I drilled 3 holes. And then I welded to the bar. Because I really didn't think that I don't think this weld here is going to hold. Because the alumaloy doesn't really hold. It just fills. You can't use it to hold a weight or a lot of pressure. So that's why I drilled 3 holes. I got a bar. Where's my bar at? I got some off that stock there. I soldered on the inside, drilled 3 holes, and I hit it there with some solder. That way it'll lock it in place. Then on top of that, we're going to weld this. I mean, it's on there good. It's on there pretty damn good. See, that's on there real good. That's not going to come off. It takes a lot of time, man. You know what those look like? Those look like the old 35mm projectors. Now what we'll do, the insides here we'll spray paint them black, and all the outsides will be silver, and then the body will be silver. It'll be black, and the front will be black. And I'm going to still put these. I'll put these back on. Well, you know what? Hold on a minute. I don't even think I can put those back on. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. They screw onto this pipe here. I can't. It's been a long day, guys. All right. Hopefully, we'll have the other Rebel in here by next weekend, and I'm going to make that a long motorcycle. I'm going to try to stretch it to 7.5 feet long. All right, I'll catch you guys later.